Nature deficit disorder is not a medical diagnosis, but a term coined to describe the disconnect of our youth and their natural world. It was unsettling, to say the least, to hear the author paint a direct correlation between increasing screen time and the number of our children suffering from obesity, depression, vitamin D deficiencies, attention deficit disorder, and a general lack of creativity. They read less, they sleep less, they lack basic social skills, they're spending less time with their family and friends, and of course, less time outdoors.